In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize a mobile performance in Wix Studio. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you improve the way your site operates on mobile devices, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience for your users. So whether you're managing a website for a business or personal project, these tips will help you enhance your mobile presence. First, let's begin by heading over to Wix Studio. Wix Studio is a powerful web platform specifically designed for agencies and enterprises, offering a variety of tools to help you create stunning websites. Once you are on the Wix Studio homepage, the next step is to click on the Login button. You will usually find this button at the top right corner of the page. It's easy to spot, designed to get you started swiftly on your project. After clicking Login, you'll see several options, and for today's tutorial we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option streamlines the process by connecting directly with your Google account, providing a quicker and often more secure login experience. Once you've successfully logged in, you're on your way to optimizing your mobile site. Now let's focus on the core of today's lesson, the mobile optimization process itself. Once you are in the editor, you'll want to locate the mobile icon at the top of your navigation menu. Clicking this icon allows you to switch your view to mobile, presenting a clearer picture of how your site will appear on smartphones. With the mobile view now active, it's time to start optimizing. Mobilizing your site optimally means making sure it is not just functional, but also visually appealing and user-friendly. This includes checking the font sizes, ensuring images are appropriately scaled, and confirming that buttons and links are easily tappable. Make sure everything fits within the mobile screen without requiring users to scroll horizontally. Moving elements or adjusting margins might be necessary to achieve a clean, efficient layout. As you fine-tune your site, remember you have the freedom to adjust these elements to suit your specific needs. Each business or project will have unique requirements, so take the time to explore different configurations. Always preview your changes to see how they impact the overall look and feel of your site on mobile devices. Finally, it's crucial to regularly test your site's speed and responsiveness. You can use built-in tools within Wix Studio or third-party applications designed for this purpose to benchmark your site's performance. These assessments will ensure that your optimizations are not just about aesthetics, but also about enhancing functionality and speed. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to optimize your mobile site within Wix Studio. With these steps, you're well on your way to ensuring a high quality user experience on mobile, which is increasingly vital in today's digital age. Thanks for tuning in and happy optimizing.